Timothy Orr Knight, at age 13, started playing around with computers and fell in love. While attending high school, Tim was busy writing reviews, articles, and programs for the national computer magazines. This busy 17-year-old enjoys being with friends and be involved in school activities. He plans to write at least a dozen more books before starting college. In the summer of '83, he formed his own software company, produced both business and game software for the wide variety of computers. He is the author of Sam's books, The World Connection and Mega Books from Your Microcomputer. Commodore 64 Basic Programs. Timothy Orr Knight and Darren Labatt. Let's go check out Darren. There's Darren. He has become an enthusiastic computerist in less than a year. His first and only computer was a Commodore 64. He recently mastered machine language. Wow. He plans to use this book as a text in the computer class which he teaches the elementary school he formerly attended. Fun. Copyright 1983. La la la, la 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 la. Preface. This is a book created for the Commodore 64 user interested in learning more about how to use and program his or her computer. Although the basic programs themselves are useful and entertaining, this book was written for more than simply typing programs into the Commodore 64 and running them. Because the greatest knowledge comes from experience, we have made the information in this book versatile enough for you to use. Yeah, cool. As you experiment with these programs and learn more about your computer from your personal experience with it. The Commodore 64 has a tremendous amount of potential to offer, and its powers should be used to educate the user as well as serve a useful purpose. Each program has an introduction that explains what the program does and how the program is used. In addition, the variables and lines of each basic program are explained, both to help you understand how the program works and also to let you modify a program in any manner you desire. We do hope that you enjoy the wide variety of programs within this book, but we want even more for you to learn from these programs and from your experimentation with them. The 64 is a powerful and versatile computer, and you should feel good about yourself wanting to know more about the machine and how you can use it for your benefit. Timothy Orr Knight, Darren Labatt. Dedicated to Mr. Donald A. Black, whose insistence on our working and thinking like good writers made this book possible. To him we are forever grateful. Contents. Introduction to the programs. The format. A review of the Commodore 64. Chapter 2 will be graphics of the Commodore. Within that is program microsketch, program spin put, program patterns, program art of boxes, program scrambler. Chapter 4 sounds galore on the 64, and a bunch of programs. Chapter 4 games. Chapter 5 educational programs. Yay. Chapter 6, the computer tutor. I might do that one. Chapter 7, programs for the home. Chapter 8, utility programs. Chapter 9, the creation of a program. That's last. Okay. Chapter 1, an introduction to the programs. Commodore 64 is one of the most powerful and exciting economical computers ever to be introduced to the personal computer market. It has the power to display graphics in vivid color and resolution, generate sounds and music
welcome to the backseat.
of amazing quality, and do most of the other great things that good home computers can do. Many people seem to be aware of these facts, since the Commodore 64 is also one of the best-selling computers today. Computer stores can't seem to get these machines in fast enough to meet the demand of the computer buying public. However, it appears that a lot of people purchasing the Commodore 64 aren't quite sure what to do with it after the computer is ready to run. In fact, not many people learn to unleash the great power within the computer without a lot of trial and error. This book should solve that problem. With Commodore 64 users, though, this book of programs in BASIC for the Commodore 64. The purpose of the book is not a singular one. There are several ways this book may be used to benefit anyone using the Commodore 64, especially if that person is just learning about computers. The three main purposes are to give a Commodore 64 user a total of 30 ready-to-run programs in BASIC. 2. To allow a person to see how a program works so that a greater knowledge of the computer may be attained. 3. To suggest certain modifications to the program that the computer user may try on his own. These modifications provide further education, since modifying a program is excellent experience for program development and realizing the power of the Commodore 64.